Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So all of the GoPro stuff is now turned up, so I thought I'd show you what we've got. So folks, I recently bought a GoPro Hero 8 Black, mainly to use for vlogging, and at the same time I also ordered a few bits and pieces to go with the GoPro for the vlogging setup. So I thought in this video I'd just show you what we've actually got. So folks, my vlogging outfit is based around the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So folks, the first thing we got is the infamous GoPro Media Mod. And the next thing we got is this little pistol grip. As you can see, nice little pistol grip there. This one is actually by a company called Fantaseal. I think that's where it came from. But it's just a generic little pistol grip there with the usual 1/4 tripod bush on the top. But that also came with one of these, which is the sort of GoPro fingers mount. That came with that. So that's the next thing we got, guys. So folks, the next thing I want to show you is this Smaytree GoPro to hot shoe or cold shoe adapter or mount. So what we've got here, guys, is just a standard GoPro fingers on the top, and on the bottom here just a cold shoe or hot shoe mount there. So it's all metal construction. I'm actually very impressed with it, considering what I actually paid for it. It's very good. So that's the last thing I've actually bought, guys. So what I want to show you now is the things that I've already had in stock, so to speak. So folks, the other thing I'm going to be using with the vlogging setup is this Boya BY-MM1 mini shotgun microphone. And I've been using that on my cameras, and for again a fairly cheap microphone, it works very, very well. So that's the Boya BY-MM1 mini shotgun microphone. So folks, the last thing I want to show you is this. So this is a Vivitar off-camera flash bracket. Now I've had this a good few years, just so you can spin around, you can have a bit of a look at it. But you can, it's difficult to show, but you hold it like that. Difficult for me to get down. Hold it like that, camera would sit on there, and it makes for a very comfortable sort of use, and makes for a very stable platform, because you can hold it, would hold the camera here, then hold it there, so it makes a very sort of stable platform for filming and taking photographs. So that's the last thing I want to show you guys. So guys, that's the basis of my GoPro vlogging outfit. Well, actually I'm going to have two different types of vlogging setup. We're going to have to wait to part 2 for that. So guys, what we're going to have to do now is go away and assemble everything together, and hopefully it's going to do what I want it to do, but only time will tell on that one. Anyway guys, we shall catch you in part 2. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye bye for now.